Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday to you, and welcome to the Parrot Puzzler here on ABC Radio. I do this every week. The 20 question pub quiz is coming at you live. Well, not live, but from the Parrot in Aldringham, nonetheless. We'll crack on. We've got 20 questions, like I just said. We'll see how well you've done at the end. Question one, let's do it. Question one, how many squares on a chessboard? Question two, what herb is typically used when making pesto? Question three, what is the capital city of Romania? Question four, what do the opposite sides of a dice add up to? Question five, how many stars appear on the Australian flag? Question six, who is the author of 1984 and Animal Farm? Question seven, in which country will you find the Blarney Stone? Question eight, which was the only Bond film to have George Lazenby play 007? Question 9. Westlife had a hit with Uptown Girl, but who sang the original? Question 10. Who discovered penicillin? Question 11. In what year did the £2 coin come into circulation? Question 12. Which kids game is played by pulling sticks from a tube that is filled with marbles? And sticking with games, question 13. On a standard UK Monopoly board, what is the first train station that you come to? Question 14. Who were the original hosts of This Morning? Question 15. Which animal has breeds called a Galloway, a Brown Swiss, and a Belgian Blue? Question 16. Who is the frontman of Coldplay? Question 17. Who was the lead actor in the film The Wolf of Wall Street? Question 18. How many capsules are there on the London Eye? Question 19. Which city has the postcode beginning with LN? And question 20. Which British golf course is home to the Open Championships? That's it. That's your 20 questions, guys. You can also find the Parrot Puzzler on YouTube. If you pop on there, search for the Parrot Puzzler, you will find lots and lots of quizzes that I do every week. So I do one on a Sunday evening, completely different to what you hear on the radio here. But also the radio quiz that I'm doing right now is recorded and does go onto YouTube as well. So if you want to play along again and get top marks, you can do so on YouTube. Or if you fancy a real life pub quiz, we are fully booked here at the Parrot for our next few quizzes, but there is a Christmas quiz at the Dolphin in Thorpeness on the 15th of December. If you give them a call, they'll get you booked in. I am host of that quiz. Give them a call, get booked in. And you can come and see me. I mean, not that that's anything special, but, it's good fun. It's Christmas. But let's find out how you done on today's quiz. Question 1. How many squares are there on a chessboard? There are 64. Question 2. What herb is typically used when making pesto? It is basil. Question 3. What is the capital city of Romania? It's Bucharest. Question 4. What do the opposite sides of a dice add up to? So they add up to 7. Question 5. How many stars appear on the flag of Australia? There are 6. Question 6. Who was the author of 1984 and Animal Farm? It was George Orwell. Question 7. In which country will you find the Blarney Stone? It's in Ireland. Question 8. Which was the only Bond film to have George Lazenby play 007? It was on Her Majesty's Secret Service. Question 9. Westlife had a hit with Uptown Girl, but who sang the original? It was Billy Joel. Question 10. Who discovered penicillin? It was Alexander Fleming, and I discovered the hard way that I was allergic to it. Question 11. In what year did the £2 coin come into circulation? It was in 1997. Question 12. Which kids game is played by pulling sticks from a tube that is filled with marbles? It is Kaplunk. Question 13. On a standard UK Monopoly board, what is the first train station that you come to? It's King's Cross. And question 14. Who were the original hosts of This Morning? It was Richard and Judy. Question 15. Which animal has breeds a Galloway, a Brown Swiss, and a Belgian Blue? They're all cows. Question 16. Who is the frontman of Coldplay? That is Chris Martin. Question 17. Who was the lead actor in the film The Wolf of Wall Street? It's Leonardo DiCaprio. Question 18. How many capsules are there on the London Eye? There are 32. Question 19. Which city has the postcode beginning with LN? It's Lincoln. And question 20. Which British golf course is home to the Open Championships? It's St Andrews. So guys, that is your 20 questions. Please let us know how you got on. And yeah, we'd love to hear from you. But I will be back here next Sunday with another Parrot Puzzler. Or like I say, you can catch me on YouTube tonight with a brand new Parrot Puzzler. But thanks for listening, guys. I hope you did well. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Goodbye.